This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a normal probability plot in Minitab. I've entered my data into two columns. The grades are my categorical variables. I've got 9th grade through 12th grade, and the GPA is my quantitative or my numerical variables. That's the spread of GPAs in the grades. Click Graph, Probability Plot. Choose the single probability plot. And I want to graph my GPA as the variable. So click GPA, then click Select. That moves GPA over to the Graph Variables box. Click OK. That brings up my probability plot. Now it looks like my grades, my GPAs, are approximately normal, which is what I would expect from a GPA, but could be a little bit skewed, especially at the top and the bottom. So to get a better idea, I'm going to go ahead and make a histogram. Just going to choose a simple histogram. I've got my GPA as the variable. You can see it follows an approximate normal distribution, but it's a little uneven in places. I wouldn't say that this set of data is approximately normal. I've got another set of data of GPAs here. It's slightly different. I'm going to click Graph and Probability Plot. Single again. I'm graphing the exact same variable, the GPA. And this time you can see it fits closer to a line. It looks like it fits a normal probability distribution a little better than my last set of data. So I'm just going to go ahead and check the histogram. And there you can see it's much closer to a bell curve, so it's not surprising that the normal probability plot was closer to a straight line. That's how to create a normal probability plot in Minitab. Check us out at statisticshowto.com for more videos and articles and everything elementary statistics.